Welcome back to another Beast Farm RNG video, and today's video we're going to be trying to get the huge from the 100k egg. So there's only 12 hours left, 13 hours left to get it, so we're going to be using a shit ton of alt accounts to get this thing, because I've already tried it on my main, so yeah. Alright, so there's the first one. Here's the first account. Let's just pop one of these. Alright, get some luck going, use. And okay. So we got the normal one. Okay, well, I guess it's gonna be time to move on to the next account. There we go. Okay, now we're on to the next account. So let's get this in. 100k egg. Alright. Come on. Boom. Hatching. Alright. Well, that means we got third accounts. Third one's the charm, right? That's the lucky account. Here we go. Okay. Account 3. Come on, I don't want to do this on like 100 alt accounts. It's 15% chance. Alright, this is the time to shine. Alright, number 4. Alright, see, look at this. 15% chance. Hatch, roll a couple bees here. Hatch. I'm so used to saying hatch in games, I'm not gonna lie. Come on. Alright. Boom. And we get a fucked bee. Alright. Number 5 has to be the one. Here we go. Got a 100k egg. And we got the... Oh! It was the one! Number 5 was the one. No way. There's no way. There's 156 of these in the world. But there we go. Wow, that actually looks insane. So yeah, there's the huge bugged bee. So if they were trading back to this game, we got this to the collection now. Yeah, it took me 5 accounts to get it. But yeah. That's all good. That's it for this short ass video, you know what I'm saying? And we'll see you in the next one. It's probably going to be opening like 2,500 the Halloween egg. That's the plan. So, see you then.